If you're looking for some best haircut idea for you, I think you are in the right place. We have compiled lots of black man haircut transformation, and I hope you will enjoy and you will get the right haircut idea from there. We have gathered lots of black man haircut idea like tapper fade, mid fade, high tapper, and any type of hair. And if you are looking for some right haircut idea for your hair type, what type of hair you have, but we will got you and you will find the best haircut idea for you.
Now it kind of looks like a goddamn real. You see what I'm saying? And what happens is you can see she happy. Yeah.
You told her, I hate you.
I mean, nah, I'm trying to keep my more of my
As you can see, this guy got
I don't want you to
perfect
really dig
mid-fade
in.
for his
See
long
where they
and
twist it
dreadlocks,
in and now it's
you can
going
also
back
use
after
it
three.
like as an
Yeah, so
undercut.
that, you know what I mean?
That was perfect transformation. And here in this video, as you can see, this guy got 360 wave, and I think tapper fade haircut gonna work with. Wow, that was perfect mid-fade haircut with twist fong. Wow, that was fantastic. Tapper fade with the low. Wow, that was perfect high tapper fade with twist fong. Fresh haircut transformation. Wow. That was fresh. That was crispy. It's looking so spicy. The low skin fade with twist prong on the top. Here we got another tapper fade transformation with the twist prong afro. That was high tapper fade with the shape of line.
Not too much off the top. Like last time you did a good job because we were changing up and I was trying to hide my receding line.
So what are you trying to get today?
Kind of want to keep it like mid to low, I guess.
Yeah, you can do that, mid to low. Do you still want the C cups?
Yeah.
See what else. All right, bro.
But yeah.
I got you.
Cool.
Beautiful transformation. Wow. This guy got crispy shape of line with low tapper fade. That was crispy transformation. I love it. Beautiful beard trim that was. Guys, if you're still watching our videos, then that's mean you are enjoying our videos, so don't skip this video. Oh sorry, don't forget to subscribe our video, subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification, and thank you so much for watching.
He waited 6 months to cut his hair. Barbers in the past pushed his line up too high. He paid $70 for this service because I solved his issue. I make sure to keep the line up as natural as it can be.
Enjoyed all of this amazing haircut transformation, and here we go. That was the last haircut transformation.
Link in my bio so I can solve any of your issues.
I'm not even sure what to call it, man. But he had my whole side of my head. It was. I could see my skin, man. I ain't asked for that, then, you know.
Oh, he went too high.
Yeah, he went too high, too low.
It was too short, you mean?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Like, I hated it.
What are you trying to get then?
Take the fade, you know what I'm saying? Get my beard lined up, you know, crispy, man. You know, that's it.
He paid $125 for this haircut. If you're located in Philly and interested in the service, click the link on my bio to set your appointment up.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.